Okay guys, I'm about to go make a delivery. I'm dropping off portrait to Joe. I'll go deliver. I got my portrait all packed up. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, hey, hey, hey.
Come on, boys.
Uh-oh, don't run away. Joe, here you go, buddy.
All right.
Hey guys, look at you. And all these fur balls.
Wayne, my neighbor, did me an awesome picture. This is the first one he did.
All right.
The second one he did of my mother. I'm gonna review my picture. I went just about almost a year without shaving. And they did this picture for me from a photo shot that I took in my truck. I haven't seen it, but let me see. Holy smack. Oh man, that looks awesome. Wow. It's unbelievable that Wayne could like draw this from scratch. This is awesome. Wow. Love it. Thank you.
That was pretty cool. You know, that was pretty cool. Portraits, I started trying to figure out how to draw a person's face and features and capture the eyes and everything else, because it was probably the most difficult thing for me to do, trying to draw. So to get a reaction from the person looking at themselves, that's pretty gratifying. You know, like you don't look for that because you don't know if each person is going to react different about pictures. Everyone sees something different, especially if you draw abstract or if you're drawing just kind of a figurative deal. But if you're drawing an exact portrait of someone, they're all looking for specific things. They want to see their eyes. They want to see their smile. You know, so that was a fun project. I love doing reflections like that. I may do some more like that. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted.